you gotta.
Well,
Jesse's gotta preface that with.
Yeah, I mean, like, let me just touch on it real quick.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, all right. So last week, real quickly,
Right.
and I gotta. Once again, I'll footnote my wife for this one because she coined the phrase.
Shut up, Melissa.
Of toxic femininity and
Toxic femininity.
yeah, I mean it's a beautiful.
Tough
I mean
word.
there's toxic masculinity running rampant, right? Like that's the cause of every Western civilized
Blah
problem.
blah 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 blah. Go
right?
on.
Can I be
Toxic
a toxic
masculinity.
feminine, identify as a toxic masculine? No, I'm fucking around. Go ahead, keep going.
So yeah, in lieu of my newfound disrespect for toxic femininity, Johnny
Amber
Depp,
Heard?
Amber Heard, on trial. I caught some of it today. His live.
When you say she's on trial,
He's
There-
suing her.
good
now.
for him. I didn't like
He
really put this
well.
all together.
So here's the thing. There's like a lot of
Slam
people, especially like I guess like in the law world.
Is it for character
that-
defamation? Like, what's he suing her
Yeah.
for?
So for defamation, right?
Nice, go.
There's two types
go.
of defamation,
Yeah.
like in the world. We don't have to get into that. That shit's like
And can he
super
get
boring.
financial? He can get compensated for this.
You what?
It's about money, right? He's gonna get compensated.
Well, sure. Yeah, this
I
one
would
is.
imagine
He's
so.
suing
Like,
her.
he could have lost
he's
money.
suing her in civil court.
'Cause
It's
he
not.
he
It's
hasn't
not
got
criminal,
roles.
but he's suing her in civil court for defamation. Right. We could touch on it real quick, right? So there's two different types of defamation: defamation per se, defamation per quad. There's different things that you have to prove in one, and a few things that you don't have to prove in the other. That's the footnotes,
What are you like married to a lawyer? or something?
layman's term,
Word.
right? So
Fucking guy.
his whole scenario here, I'm
the
pretty sure
scenario?
falls
Yeah,
under
yeah.
defamation per se, right? So he has a lot of boxes checked off of things in his corner, right? What she said is not factual.
That's big.
It hurt him
Financially.
financially,
Big.
credibility,
Yes.
defamed him.
Yes.
Got pulled off
Um,
2 movies.
He got
Keep
pulled
going.
off 2 huge movies. How you going to make another Pirates of the Caribbean without Johnny Depp? Like, straight up boycotted. As much as I want to support Fantastic Beasts because of what she's going through with the whole trans world,
What?
J.L. Tolkien,
Oh.
who wrote like the
Okay.
Harry Potters
Okay,
and
okay, okay. No, I thought you said she was going
J.K.
through-
What did I say?
No,
J.R. Tolkien. You're just mixing
I'm
shit.
sorry. I'm
J-
flying right now in my brain.
Isn't it J. Rowling?
J.K. Rowling.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. My dyslexia
Oh man,
is popping.
J.R. Roll. I don't even know what he fucking said, but go on. Just go on. Just go on.
Either way, as much as I want to support her in her stance of all that, it's like I kind of want to boycott that movie because they fired Johnny Depp on some bullshit.
Right.
You know, and this is the whole wrap up of this toxic femininity, where it's like this chick can lie, defame someone, and like you deserve yours. Like she deserves everything that can come to her because of the privilege that she feels she has just because she's a woman.
Right.
Like that's what I'm getting at. Like that shit needs to stop because it's horrible. I stand hardly behind Johnny
You know
Depp.
me, I brought this up a while ago.
I hope he wins this.
I don't think it's gonna stop, but I do think that on a case-to-case basis, people have to really open their eyes. Like you can't. I'm not gonna tell you don't listen to all women. I'm not gonna tell you listen to all women, but you got to listen to every situation.
Right.
Every
side of every situation.
Yeah, I mean, like you got
every situation
people
has
rush to judgments, and
no, of course. There's
that's the
nothing.
problem.
Every sort of situation, court case, accusation
Yeah.
needs to be looked at
I agree.
under a microscope. I mean, like think
Mike
about
Tyson. I'm still mad about Mike Tyson.
not to. I hate to fucking bring this back up, but like even like the fucking Kavanaugh. You know, like the Supreme Court justice, like. That guy's rest of his life and his family's life has been dragged through the mud. Think of that Covington, that Covington high school kid. You know what I mean? The racist, the fucking who laughed in the face of the elder tribesmen
Oh, that
when
was fake,
really what
right.
was happening was that kid was being antagonized and berated.
Right,
And,
yeah, I remember
you know
that
what
one.
I mean? Like. That's a kid right there for the rest of his life. His face. Kyle Rittenhouse for the rest of his life. His face. He's painted as.
Kyle
You know what I'm
Rittenhouse is gonna be a
saying? Like,
legend.
I heard they were sending him to Ukraine to end shit.
I wouldn't be
Stupid.
shocked.
But
One
anyway, before you digress too far,
shot. Yeah.
fuck you, guy.
Did I go right, sir?
Go on.
Jesse.
No, I mean that's just shining light on
Tune in
that
next
because
week.
you know
We're
I don't
doing
know if everyone
our
knew, but yeah, toxic femininity is
Back on the
certainly a
highway.
problem,
Right.
and that's going to be.